Imagine this. Your hands turn a smashed, worthless car into something beautiful and valuable again. And every time you do it, money flows into your account. No massive student debt, no sitting in an office feeling empty. Just real skills that pay the bills, build your future, and give you pride every single day. If you're tired of dead-end jobs that barely cover rent or food, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about how auto body repair skills can build you a rich and fulfilling life. Let's be honest, a lot of people today feel stuck. You finish school, look for work, but the good jobs want experience or expensive degrees. You end up in something that pays little, has no future, and gives zero respect. Bills keep coming. Family needs support. Dreams of owning your own place or providing better for your loved ones feel far away. But here's the truth most schools won't tell you. The world will always crash cars. Accidents happen every day, and the skilled people who know how to fix body damage properly. They eat well, sleep well, and build real wealth. Auto body repair is more than just fixing dents. It's a true craft. You're a metalworker, a painter, a problem solver, and an artist. You make cars safe again. You restore their beauty. You give people back their daily life, whether it's a taxi driver earning income. And the best part? You can start learning with vocational training, apprenticeship, or free tutorials. And begin earning good money much faster than a university degree. Here's exactly how mastering auto body repair helps you build a rich, fulfilling life. Path to real entrepreneurship and wealth. Many start as technicians and end up owning shops. Real stories. Techs who began small have grown into multi-million businesses. One collision repair company started with one shop and scaled to hundreds of locations worth billions. Others began in their garage, flipped damaged cars, and now run profitable operations. Your skills become your capital. You can go mobile, open a small workshop, or specialize in high-end or classic cars. Pride, purpose, and strong character. Every finished job is visible proof of your talent. Customers smile when they see their car looking brand new. You know you made something better and safer. This work builds discipline, attention to detail, patience, and resilience, qualities that improve your entire life, not just your bank account. Better lifestyle and freedom. Once you level up, you can afford a good home, support your family, buy tools, or even your own shop. Many techs enjoy flexible hours, the satisfaction of hands-on work, and the freedom that comes with a marketable skill. No more wondering if the next paycheck will come. Don't just take my word. Look at shop owners who started exactly where you are learning the trade. Getting their hands dirty, and refusing to stay broke. They turned skill into stability, then into success. The saying is true. Hard work on a valuable skill beats waiting for luck. You don't need to be the best student in class. You need willingness to learn, practice, and master your craft. Auto body repair gives you that power. So if you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start building a rich, fulfilling life with your own hands, auto body repair is one of the smartest paths available. Start today. Look for vocational or technical training programs near you. Find a workshop for apprenticeship. Begin with free YouTube tutorials on panel beating, sanding, and painting. Practice on small jobs and build your portfolio. The tools are waiting. The demand is there. The only question is, will you take action? If this video motivated you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more real advice on skilled trades and building a strong life. Comment below, "I'm ready," or tell me what's stopping you from learning a trade. Share this with any young person who needs direction. You have everything you need right now. Go get your hands dirty and build the life you deserve.